Your phone, laptop, and tablet don't just connect you to work, they carry your most sensitive data wherever you go. That makes them valuable targets, not just digitally, but physically too. In this lecture, we will learn how to secure your devices against unauthorized access, whether you're at the office, at home, or on the move. You also study which settings to adjust, how to guard against prying eyes, and what steps to take to protect your device even when you leave it unattended for just a moment. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify key access risks to your devices at home and work, apply basic physical and digital security practices to your devices, understand why unattended unlocked devices are a major cybersecurity risk. Your device is a doorway. Your device, whether it's a work laptop or a personal phone, isn't just a tool. It's an entry point to email and chat history, cloud documents, saved passwords and login sessions, business software and internal systems. That's why protecting your device isn't just about locking your screen, it's about managing who can access your digital door. Case, the unlocked laptop. Even the best digital defenses can't protect against simple human error. In 2020, a remote worker in the US left their laptop open and unattended in a public cafe while taking a call outside. In less than 2 minutes, a passerby accessed the device, emailed sensitive client information to themselves, and caused a major breach. No hacking or a malware, just a lack of basic physical security. Lesson: if your device is open and unlocked, your company is exposed. 5 key habits for device safety. Use auto-lock settings. Set your laptop, phone, and tablet to auto-lock after 1-2 minutes of inactivity. This small setting can be a powerful first line of defense. In case you forget to lock manually, the system will lock itself. It's especially important in shared spaces like co-working areas, cafes, or conference rooms where unattended screens can invite trouble. Tip: check your device's lock settings today. On most systems, it takes less than a minute to activate. Require a strong password or biometric login. Skip the swipe to unlock or simple 4-digit pins. Instead, use strong passcodes, at least 8 to 12 characters, or enable biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition. These features drastically reduce the chances of unauthorized access, especially if your device is lost or stolen. Tip: don't reuse passwords across devices or apps. Use unique credentials for each. Lock your screen manually when stepping away. Whether you're heading to grab a coffee, answer the door, or speak to someone across the room, lock your screen. One keystroke. Windows. Window plus L, Mac, Control plus Command plus Q can prevent an accidental or malicious breach. Remember, it's not just about hackers. Curious passersby or even well-meaning colleagues can access sensitive info unintentionally. Avoid using unsecured public Wi-Fi without a VPN. Public networks are a prime hunting ground for cybercriminals who can intercept your data. If you need to work on the go, always use a reputable VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your connection. This keeps your emails, login credentials, and files safe from snooping. Tip: turn off auto-connect to public networks in your device settings. Don't leave devices in cars or shared spaces. Your devices may seem out of sight, but they're rarely out of reach. Cars can be broken into, and shared spaces can become a free pass for unauthorized users. Always take your device with you or use a physical lock or secure storage if you absolutely can't. Bonus: if your company provides physical security tools like laptop locks or safes, use them regularly. Secure your work email on your phone. Accessing work email on your phone is convenient, but also risky if not properly secured. Mobile devices are more likely to be lost, stolen, or accessed by others, making them a common entry point for data breaches. To protect sensitive company information, enable remote wipe. Make sure your IT department or mobile device management (MDM) system can remotely erase your phone's data if it's lost or stolen. This ensures confidential data don't fall into the wrong hands. Use a separate, secure email app for work. Avoid mixing work and personal email. Choose a dedicated work email app with its own passcode or biometric lock. This adds an extra layer of protection even if someone gains access to your phone. Never forward sensitive attachments to your personal email. It may seem easier to open files from your main inbox, but doing so increases the risk of accidental leaks or unauthorized sharing. Always keep work-related communication within secure, approved platforms. Think of your phone as a mobile office. Treat it with the same level of security and caution. Device security checklist. Use this to review your own devices. Does your device auto-lock within 2 minutes? Do you use strong login credentials, not swipe or PIN? Do you lock your screen manually when stepping away? Are you using encryption or a VPN for public Wi-Fi? Is remote wipe activated in case your device is lost or stolen? Device safety isn't about paranoia, it's about being smart. If your phone or laptop holds the keys to your work and personal life, treat it like you would your wallet or ID, always secure, never left unattended.